Sabi nila, wala daw silang agent sa Senado. Tapos hahabulin nila at sa GSIS. Because they suddenly realize na sa GSIS lang pala talaga yung mga ede. And our presence doon sa GSIS is supported by a request. So we have legal legal basis to be there kung bakit kami nasa GSIS, no? So, doon sa claim na stage ba yan or attack, ganyan, sabi ko na kung siege man yan or anything, there's no siege. The Senate was never under attack. Ang nangyari ngayon, it's NBI who is now under attack. So, yun yung nangyayari ngayon, no? Pero, lalabas naman yan. And again, I don't want to, I'm sorry, Chi, that I cannot anymore comment if it's stage or a siege or attack. I'd rather leave it to the wisdom of the investigating authority, which is the DOJ and the panel that is created by Secretary Bida and also with the Office of the Ombudsman. Also, the CIDG, you can ask the CIDG, nandun naman sila.
Ito lang ay